Hey guys, I have the Casio GBD 200 and this watch comes with a secret feature which a lot of smartwatches has, and one of the feature is the Find My Phone feature. In the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 also, if we just slide down the notification panel, we will see this search icon, and if we press on this, you can see my phone will start ringing, and definitely I can find my phone anytime. And this is a really good feature to have on smartwatches because we sometimes forget our phone, and definitely we can search by directly tapping on a button. But this watch which is from Casio also comes with a similar feature, and obviously you can find your phone also with this watch. So I recently discovered this feature in the app which is the Casio app, and you need to sync up your watch with that app. So we will test that feature in this video and see whether that feature is working or not. First of all, let's go to the Casio app, and you can see it is connected right now with the GBD 200, and obviously it is syncing the activities also which I will be doing wearing the watch, like the step count or the workouts. And if I just press on this watch, I will be seeing some of the feature, and one of the feature is the phone finder. So if I tap on this, you can see there are numerous options which I will be getting. So the first option which I will be getting is track selection, simple, classic, jazz. So there are three tracks which I can choose from, and the volume also I can just increase and decrease from here. And there is the volume test also which I can test, and let's see what is happening if I'm just pressing the volume test. So obviously there are these ringtones which are playing. So if I'm just selecting the classic tone, you will see there is a different tone playing, and in the jazz you will be seeing a different tone playing on. So this is a really good way to find your phone and select the tone which will be ringing if you just activate the phone finder from your watch. Now let's see how we can activate this phone finder from the GBD 200 Casio, which is a really good watch you can have. So this watch comes with a really good battery life also. You don't need to change or charge your battery in 2 years. Obviously you can use this without any charge, and if you can find and do the activities which a smartwatch can do, that is a really great thing. So let's see whether we are able to find our phone. Before that, I will be saving the settings on my phone, and now I will just check where is the phone finder option in this watch. So here you can see we don't have the phone finder option in the Casio GBD 200. If we are just pressing buttons, like we have the stopwatch option here, and obviously we have some other options. If we are pressing this button, like we have the activities, workout, or the stopwatch and everything, but there is no phone finder option in this watch. So how we can activate the phone finder option is we need to press the top left corner button for 2 seconds to go to the watch settings. So definitely we have to press this for 2 seconds, and you can see we will be going into a different mode, and here we can see all the settings of the watch. So once we are in there, we just need to press this down button, which will help us to go to different menus or different options. So I will just press on that, and you can see I am just going down one by one option, and here I will also get some of the option like light, vibration, and pairing, airplane mode, phone finder. So this is the option which I am looking for, and this is the phone finder option. So let's see whether it is working or not. My phone is right here, and this is just turned off. I will just press this button to activate it, and here I will be getting two options. The first option is execute, the other option is cancel. I will press on execute, and obviously you can see there is this animation on the watch and my phone is ringing. So this is how you can find your phone. So once you have detected it, you can just stop it from the watch itself. So I will press this back button, and the phone finder will stop ringing your phone. So this is how you can activate the phone finder option on your Casio GBD 200, which is a really good thing. And obviously there are other functions and other features which you can do with this watch, but this is one of the really good features you can do. So this is what I wanted to show you guys. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.